Hello, all. I am Rana from AI in a Box Consultancy, and I am happy to be here. What we have for you is very exciting. We will be going through the training agenda for AI Strategy Framework Overview, developed by AI in a Box. This is the first training program, and please check our website for information on how to attend our training programs designed to elevate your skills in AI consultancy. We have several options for you to benefit depending on your requirements and schedule.
Hello, I am Jonathan from AI in a Box Consultancy, and I am happy to see you today.
With this introduction, let's get started. Who is this workshop for, Jonathan?
That's a very good question. This workshop is intended for professionals, consultants, business leaders, strategists, and managers. These individuals are pivotal because they influence and shape the strategic direction of the organization.
Very interesting. And how is this workshop going to help?
This workshop will equip you with the knowledge and skills to start the AI journey in your organization using the AI strategy framework, systematic approach.
Great. So, do we need to be programmers or into AI programming to attend and benefit?
No, this is not a technical workshop in AI programming. We will cover topics that are important and relevant for the target audience.
One question comes to mind, and that is this training specific to commercial companies or a specific sector?
This training is generic and suitable for commercial companies, government sectors aiming to use AI advanced capabilities. The AI strategy framework that we will be looking at today is generic and can benefit organizations of all types and size.
Great. Let's move on to the agenda, shall we? Can you walk us through the agenda, Jonathan?
Sure, we will start with an introduction to AI.
Jonathan, what are you hoping to accomplish in the introduction, and why is it important?
We will explain what is AI, how does it work, why is it important, what are the opportunities and risks in AI, so everybody in the organization speaks the same language. AI is a tool to address existing problems, but not all issues can be resolved with AI. And that's why the introduction is important to standardize the expectations.
Very interesting. So it's not a magic wand like everyone thinks. Great. What's next?
In the target phase, the focus will be on identifying potential AI initiatives within the organization.
Interesting. So this links to the introduction of AI and what AI can do to help the organization specifically.
Yes, exactly. In the target phase, you will learn how to collect and evaluate AI initiatives and align them with the organization goals and objectives.
Okay, next on the agenda, please. Jonathan, explain what we will cover in the build phase and why is it important?
In the build phase, you'll get experience on how to build AI solutions using the 3 stages: assess, assist, and automate.
And why is the build phase important?
It's important because most AI initiatives fail in this stage. Organizations wanting to jump from zero to hero through AI. In the build phase, you learn how to stage AI solutions gradually and systematically to avoid disappointment.
When you say build, does that mean we will learn building AI code?
No, as we mentioned earlier, this is not a programming training. In the build phase, the organization have the freedom to get third-party solutions or use programmers to build the solution internally. In this workshop, we will provide the attendees the criteria to gradually and successfully introduce the AI solution into their systems using the assess, assist, and automate process.
Okay, very interesting topic. What is next, please?
In the deploy phase, you will learn how to deploy AI solutions effectively and ensure their ongoing performance, security, and administration. AI solution is dependent on data and therefore very sensitive to changes or shifts in your data trends. AI solutions needs to be monitored for accuracy and other criterias.
So in this phase, you will learn what parameters are important to monitor for a healthy performance of AI solutions.
Let me add one more point, please. AI solutions should be integrated in the organization's existing systems. In this stage, you will learn how to deploy AI solutions that fits into your environment. For example, based on your requirements and use case, you can deploy AI solutions as standalone system or integrated in a report, etc. Some of these parameters are predetermined in the target phase.
So, the AI strategy framework phases that you will learn about in here is all connected. Is this correct?
Very true. Thank you for adding this point, and we go through this iterative loop process in other videos in our channels. Finally, we look at the foundation for successful and sustainable AI. We will learn about the AI supporting strategies. We'll discuss data architecture, governance, risk and compliance, human resources development, and many other topics.
And how is this going to help?
It's the foundation to excel and elevate the organization in the AI maturity assessment, to reach a level of maturity where AI is embedded in the DNA of the organization.
Great agenda? This is all great, however. I do have a question. What problem are we solving and how? Specifically, tell me more about AI maturity assessment that you mentioned.
This training and awareness is critical to migrate from level 1 to level 2 in the maturity assessment.
And I see supporting strategy in level 2.
Yes, in the supporting strategies you will learn about in this training will help the organization move from level 2 to level 3 in the Gartner maturity assessment.
And how about level 3?
Well, this is interesting because when you develop a comprehensive roadmap for your AI initiatives, you will be prepared to advance to level 4. In this workshop, you will learn how to identify and evaluate AI targets and build a strategic AI roadmap.
How about level 5 maturity, Jonathan?
In addition, you will position yourself within level 5 through ongoing maintenance of this strategy. This we also walk you through in this workshop.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to the agenda of AI Strategy Framework. If you got to this point, you must be interested. Check our website for more information at aiinabox.ai. And we hope to see you in our training session soon.